Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we will understand how you can make some documents mandatory for the customer: account creation, loan approval, and customer login as well. The first setting in master setup is make documents mandatory for account creation, make it yes. Then in document list, decide what documents you want to make mandatory and at what level. So for example, if you want to make invoice mandatory at customer level, whereas driving license mandatory at loan level. So let me change this configuration. I want to make driving license mandatory at customer level and invoice mandatory at loan level. When I select loan, it will ask me for what loan I want to make invoice mandatory. So I will say that for type invoice, the invoice should be made mandatory. So I'll update the source. So for loan, invoice. Next, we'll create a product scheme quickly for invoice. And here I will select invoice as type. I will define rest of the stuff. In addition to this, I will create one more loan, that is for personal loan. I will select the loan as personal. Now I will search a profile and I click loan. When I click loan, it will say that driving license is required. I have to upload the document, driving license mandatory, and in the documents I will have to approve it. Now if I click loan, it will allow me to create loan. Now let me create two loans. One is for invoice. It has gone for approval process, and the second for personal. To create another loan, I need to search the profile again and click create. Now I go in profile, loan approval, and here, or I can search for first personal. Is 18,000 loan. This is the personal loan, so I can approve this loan and disburse also. Whereas if I go here in, so the other type is not mentioned here, invoice. Let's say if I go to invoice loan here and click approve, it will ask me verification pending for invoice. So the invoice authority will come to know what documents are pending. Once I upload the document, let's say I have to upload the document here and upload loan document, because if I upload customer document, it will not accept. I had to upload loan document, and the document should be the invoice document. So once I upload that document and approve it, then it will be approved here. Now next thing is, similarly we can make the document mandatory for customer as well. If I go in master setup and document list, if I select, let's say, bank account, if we have to make it mandatory, so we can select customer login. So if I just update bank account, and let's say this bank account, we have to make it mandatory as well. So if I click mandatory, it means that whenever customer will try to apply loan, the bank account has to be uploaded by customer and it has to be approved by the authority.